Off to get more bagels, Emma?
Yay. I might get a sweet one today.
Okay. It's warmer today.
It's positively warm.
I mean, we still got 15 layers on, but it's warm.
Warmer, yes.
Oh well, now to get bagels.
Okay.
How's your sweet bagel today?
It's delicious.
Yep.
Yeah.
Which one did you go for?
Well, it's a cinnamon and raisin bagel
Yep.
with mango and cranberry cream
Ooh.
cheese.
Yummy. Nice.
Yeah.
Empire State Building.
It's tall.
It's very tall. Do you want to climb it? Yeah. Let's stay on the ground. We're in Times Square at the moment. There's the mayor or somebody's talking, so there's like Secret Service and everything everywhere. It's pretty full on, eh?
Yeah. If we see this person, we probably won't even know who it is.
Yeah, I'd say we wouldn't have a clue. We made it. We're here.
It's a bit bright.
It's very bright. It's a bit OTT. But it's cool. See it? Very cool. Starbucks is closed. We'll have to go to another one.
Which direction's the library?
I don't know.
That direction.
That way? Okay. We've been here like 5 days and we've had Starbucks like 20 times.
Not 20 times. Only once a day. Plus
Twice
other
a
coffee
day.
shops. We got
Plus other coffee shops, yeah. Can never have too much coffee. We're in the map room. Emma's in her element. Do you want a library like this in our house?
Yeah. Maybe a little bit cozier.
A little cozier.
Yeah, because this would take a lot of money to heat.
It would take a lot of money to heat. How do you think?
They're cuter than I would thought.
Cuter than you thought? Yeah. It's pretty cool, huh? We're trying new random flavors of M&Ms. Which one do we go with?
Pretzel.
So they're good, but the problem is, how many's in the bag?
There was 16 I think.
Only 16 in a bag. It's just not enough. You just want more.
That's why they have the family pack.
Yeah, family pack for one. So what did you think of the New York Public Library?
I really like the building.
Their building was very cool, wasn't
It
it?
actually would be a good place to study.
It's a good base to what?
Study.
Yeah, really would. And there's so much there.
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome. Whoa. There's a pipe burst and there's live wire.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So got a hot dog in Times Square. It's okay. I don't know. Had to be done, I guess.